So today I'm going to be walking you through how to up your social media marketing game easily with Canva graphics. The easiest way is to start by searching for a template of what you're looking for. For this example, I'll be typing Instagram, which is a great platform for marketing, and I'll also be selecting the square template because that's the standard size for Instagram posts. From there, you'll find a bunch of templates that can cater to any need you have. These graphics are fun, eye-catching, and engaging for your audience. Once you find one you like, you can just click on it. I found this template which I liked because it's simple yet it had both text and image. Once you click on it, you can press customize this template and it'll open it for you. So once it's open, you'll be able to fully customize everything you see. Each element is removable and able to be edited to suit your needs. The main tools you want to use are text uploads and elements. Elements are any decorative pieces or icons such as the paper borders at the bottom. Uploads are where you can upload your own media from your device. And text is any text boxes or font that you want on your graphic, such as these two at the bottom. To start, I'm going to remove this picture by pressing the little trash can. To add a new one, you can use uploads or use photos on Canva. I'm going to use photos and use this pineapple one. Just drag it and drop it over to where you want it. Once it's added, it'll be on the top layer, so to move it back, you'll press the more dots and then go down to layer and send backwards. I'm going to do it once more so it's how the template image was. Next is to edit the text, which you can do so by double clicking it. Since this image has a pineapple, I'm going to type new pineapples on it. I'll also edit the bottom text by double clicking it as well and adding a date. You can see here it goes to the next line, so you can just use these sidebars to stretch the box. You can then recenter it by aligning using the locking lines. Now you're ready to save your image. Press share in the top corner and go down to download. You can save your graphic in whichever form you need, I'm choosing JPEG, and then press download again and it will save your image to your device. There's so much more to explore in Canva to improve your social media, and I hope this helped.